Hi Owls, it's time for singing assembly, and You've Got a Friend in Me from the Toy Story movie. So we'll give that a go this week. Right, here we go. You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, just remember what your old pal said. Yeah, you've got a friend in me. Yeah, you've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. You've got troubles, well I've got them too. There isn't anything that I wouldn't do. We stick together and we'll see it through. 'Cause you've got a friend in me. Yeah, you've got a friend in me. Some folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too, maybe, but none of them will ever love you the way that I do. Yeah, it's me and you, and as the years go by, friendship will never die. You're gonna see it's our destiny. Yeah, you've got a friend in me. Yeah, you've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. See you soon.